Hello again, my good people. You see, I got this spec from Supportive Electronics Service. You know, this is a company in Lithuania and Vilnius dealing with second-hand things. I bought a lot of items from this guy, and I may say they are very serious. This one came in less than 1 week with FedEx. What I bought this time, it's a router. It's like $150, you know, for the new item. One of the antennas went out of the pack. Okay, there we are. It's funny. You know, this one is like a leg, you know, going like a handicap router or something. Bubbles, tape. Okay, so here we are. One of the antenna is smashed. It's not destroyed, probably because of the transport or something. This can be fixed, no problem also with that. I bought from this company especially routers for me, my friends and so on. Really good prices. You know, I bought with 20 euros a router that's supposed to be like 250 euros. So this one, what model is this one? It's a gaming ASUS AX5400. So I may say it's a pretty clever router. USB 3 port, all the stuff's here, the gaming port with a really fast connection. This device is asking for 12 volt with 2.5 amps. A lot of power. You need a really good power supply. I'm gonna use my lab power supply for that. Before anything else, let me check for short. So here I have a plug, probably will do the job. Ohmmeter in beeping mode. We are so good. Nothing wrong there. The switch, it's okay. 490 ohms. I'm not sure if it is with plus in the middle. Doesn't say anything about this. But usually these stuffs are with plus in the middle. So I'm gonna have my power supply on 12 volt and have the current like 1 amp. We should have plus in the middle, minus outside. Okay, 12.5. Looking good. I will take down the current to 1 amp or something, and let's have a fourth switch on. And it's taking 200 milliamps, and so far I can see the LED was up for a short period of time. I'm back, up again. Okay, now it's turning off. So I suppose the power supply, it's okay. I'm still having 150 milliamps running to the device, but obviously nothing happens anymore. Let me reset. All right, the green LED, it's back again, and there we are. Amazing, changing colors. I have to insert my Wi-Fi dongle, or better, let me check my phone. There we are, ASUS. It's working. I have a clear ASUS signal on 2.5. What about 5 gigahertz? Nothing yet. That's my guy. Okay, let me plug my Wi-Fi dongle to my desktop PC. Wi-Fi on. Okay, what we got here? That's the one. ASUS A0. I don't have a network cable connected to this guy yet, but hopefully we can reach the page. Okay, so we have to go to, so here I have the address 192 with 168.50.1. Of course, the next logic step is to have an internet connection. Just plug it in. Yes, so I am connected to ASUS A0, and I have an internet connection there. Operation mode, wireless router, of course, automatic. Okay, further, what can I call that? Let's quiz new router. Okay, login, have it admin for now. Password should be matched. Okay, let's do a firmware upgrade. So now TUF ASUS5400 is taking automatically the firmware upgrade. Now I can see both screens here, and the point is that now it's taking like 200 milliamps of power, not so much. What's happening here? I'm waiting. Okay, so what we got here? Okay, Flakes the cat. Oh my, Flakes the cat. Okay, let it be like that. We are just checking the things. Yeah, I have to go to this network, Vasquez new, and import the password. Flakes the cat. Oh my god. Next. Yeah, that's the right password. There we are. Let's check for speed. Yeah, of course, because my dongle, my Wi-Fi dongle, can take more than 300. Finally! Yes, people, it's working. It's taking half a amp almost once in a while. All I have to do is to fix this antenna in place, and I think I'm gonna have some hot glue or something anyway. So the device is working. 20 euros for a device will, I don't know, it's costing like 150. I think it's a perfect match. Okay, so here we are 2 days later. The router is working great. Let me show you how I fixed the antenna problem. So in fact it was very simple. It's just a screw and the antenna, it's back in shape. Even if one of these plastic thingies it's broken, that doesn't matter. You have to be really careful not touch the wires, of course. And I'm using a power supply for 12 volt and 2 amps. That should be good enough. So what can I say? It's a really nice device, bought with almost nothing, and it's a full working TUF machine. Pretty expensive. What can I say? Sometimes you have to risk the things, and for now that's it. I hope it's useful, and you see, don't forget to have fun. Bye.